I'm Rachel Malcolm. I'm a maternal child health worker with Carriers County Family Services. Today I'm going to be making beef barley soup. It's a family favorite in our house. And I'm here at the Stillatin Health Center using their beautiful kitchen. First step that I do in making this soup is I'm going to fry the hamburger. I've got 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. I'm going to fry it with the onion until the onion is clear and the hamburger is browned. My pot here is already warmed up. This is a great big pot and it's going to make a lot of soup. So feel free to cut it in half. It's going to make about 22 cups of soup. I love it because I freeze it, and it freezes really well. So we are filming 2 episodes today, and it looks like all the onion went into Roxanne's soup. And so I'm going to chop up some more. Thankfully, I still have some.
Yeah. So you're going to need it for that big pot of soup.
So, you know, no trouble. We're good.
Yeah.
So, actually, the onion's already in the pot, so we're good.
We're losing our minds.
So the hamburger and the onion are all cooked here, and I'm going to add all of the other ingredients so everything can go in. I'm putting in 8 cups of water. I've got 2 cups of chopped potatoes. There's 2 cups of grated carrots and 1.5 cups of celery. We got 1/2 cup of barley is going in. I've got 1 liter of beef broth that we're going to put in here. And there's some spices. I've got everything measured out here and prepared. That's all going in. There's parsley, thyme, salt, pepper, some sugar. And I've got a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And also a can of tomato soup. So I'm just gonna mix all this together. And it's going to cook about 1.5 hours. It could be eaten before then, but soup is just better the longer it simmers. So this is going to be on low, and I'm going to cover it and let it simmer here. So the soup is all done. I'm just going to serve some up. I hope you enjoy the soup as much as we do.